With 4 spacious tiers, this basket offers ample room for storing a wide variety of items: fruits, vegetables, toiletries, office supplies, or toys, while keeping them neatly organized and visible. The basket easily falls down when not in use, making it perfect for compact living spaces or for those who need flexible storage that doesn't take up permanent space. Made from high-quality, durable materials, this basket is built to last and can handle everyday use, ensuring your items stay safe and secure.